Hi, my name's Chris. Welcome to my YouTube channel. People have been asking me about how well a Bluetooth keyboard pairs with the Supernote A5X. I did include something in an earlier video along this line, but promised that I would return to this subject when my Bluetooth keyboard arrived in the post, and it has. What has arrived is the Keychron K6, and you can find all kinds of reviews online about this. It's a mechanical keyboard, and I use the brown switch, a little bit quieter, and I like it very much. It does the job. I also I purchased the case that came with this, which means that I will be able to take this around with me wherever I go. In the video that you'll see shortly, I'm using this stand for the Supernote. If you can see that. Is that going to be mirrored? I don't know. No, you can't see it. It's the Lamicol stand, a small stand, and this works for my iPad Pro, for the Max Lumi, for the Supernote, and it works well. Everything works well together. Now, I was struggling. How am I going to create a video of me typing and you seeing what's going on in the screen of the Supernote, because I don't have another stand to put the camera on my iPad, which is what I record most of these videos on. So I asked my wife to come in and do the typing, and I just recorded it with my phone. Now I realise it's not scientific or anything like that. You know, the frame rate isn't great, but you'll get an idea of the kind of pause between a keystroke and when the text appears on the Supernote screen. So you'll see in the video that follows what you're looking at. I would say this, for me, I'm happy to type onto the Supernote if I have to, but that is not where I'm going to be making edits. The options to select a chunk of text aren't there, or to skip over words, you know, with control arrow, that sort of thing, that they're not activated. So for just getting down a draft, it's fine. You can use the Supernote with a Bluetooth keyboard, no problem. But if you're the kind of person who wants the Supernote to be the only place where you're doing word processing, then you'll have to think hard and long about whether this is the right device for you, given the limitations in editing and some of the lag, as you will now see. Anyway, I hope you find this video useful.
Typed it on.
Okay, here's the delete function. I'm just holding the delete button down. And you can see it's taking a while. If I try and do control and delete, I can't reach the key. Not much will happen. Right, and now for something very scientific. I'm just going to hit the same button a few times. Return. Just going to hit F. Gives you some idea of the lag. Okay, I'm going to hold J down. There. Maybe that's even more helpful.